As I mentioned earlier in the earlier video, um, this module includes 4 components. The first component is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use your MOOC email to send an email. If you click on this link, it would take you to the PowerPoint slides where it shows you how you can use the SIS system provided by your MOOC University to send an email. On the second link, you have the art of composing professional emails, which are the slides on your hand side of the screen. It shows you some important components of professional emails. Let's start by talking about some of these components. The first important component is the subject line. Let's create an email here. You have the subject line, which is the موضوع here in Arabic. You have to include a short description of the topic of your email. For example, if you're sending this email to a professor, you would go ahead and mention a brief, concise, and precise description of the email's topic. For example, you can type assignment 1. This would tell the teacher that this is your assignment email. It has to be short, always. The second component is the greeting, where you just greet the person or the recipient of the email. I always go with dear and then Dr. for example, Ahmed. You type the body of your email. And after that, you have to close your email with one of these words, such as thank you, best wishes, or sincerely. I always do best. And then you sign off, which is on this slide. The sign off, just you type your name or the names of the people who send this email, or even the group. You can just go ahead and include the group number if you're working in a group. We have something also called the CC and BCC, which are 2 functions that your email service would provide. The first one is the CC, which is the carbon copy. It sends another copy to another recipient. For example, you can send it to this person. And then you have also the BCC, which is the blind carbon copy. It would give you the chance, or it would give you the ability to send an email to another person, but none of these persons is going to see the other person's email. For example, if you do نسخة مخفية, for example, you send it to, yes, for example, for Reem. Reem wouldn't be able to see my email and vice versa. Here's another description of the CC and BCC. You can just look at them and know the difference between the two. We also have on this slide number 8, some of the additional tips for writing more effective emails. It's always good to think about your email before sending it. Just try to write a draft and look at it and brainstorm before sending the email. Also, you have to reflect on the tone of your email. I mean, if you're writing an email to a professor to show him that you're happy, just include some happy words. And always strive for clarity and try to use paragraphs. It makes it easier for the recipient to read your email. Formatting is always important, and I mean, when you type an email and you have to format it in a way that would not distract the reader. For example, you just for example, if you do I hope you're doing well, don't underline it. I mean, don't go and bold another word. Don't use another type of font here. Okay, it looks weird, you know. It distracts the recipient of the email if you do these kind of things. Here is a sample of a good email where it starts with the greeting, The body of the email has several paragraphs, and it ends with closing and the sign off. Just look at it, try to imitate this email, and you're good to go. Thank you.